Slowly, slowly, slowly.
Welcome to Rishi's Fun Learning.
Hi! Today I am going to make my bath bomb with my bath bomb making lab. So let's check what's inside this box. Now let's open it. Hey, tight. This is an instruction manual. This is a bowl. There are many things in here. I will show you what's inside. Droppers. Plastic spatula, a bath bomb container, measuring cups, this one, three bottles of colors, yellow, red, blue, and 2 bottles of redness. These are some chemicals of making the bath bombs. Corn flour, citric acid, baking soda. We need to make this experiment with a supervision of adults. So I will call my mom. Mom, let's start making.
Okay. First we have to see the instruction book.
Alright.
Let's see what's inside this. Yes. Here is the instruction.
Okay.
First we need the baking soda.
Baking soda. This is the baking soda.
Yes. 10 ml of baking soda.
10 ml.
10 ml of baking soda.
Oh, wow.
Here is our measuring jar.
Okay. This is a small measuring jar, no?
Yes, this is a small measuring jar. Add baking soda
10
10
ml.
ml. First,
Pandam.
I put this in the measuring jar.
Okay.
Here
Is this 10
is
ml?
just little.
And just little.
Here is 10 ml of baking soda.
Ooh. It's snow. It looks like snow.
Now we have to add
What?
1 teaspoon of table salt.
Table salt.
Here is the table salt.
Okay. And this is table jar.
1 teaspoon of
Table salt.
1 teaspoon of table salt.
Oh. Whoa.
1 teaspoon of table salt.
Done.
Then add 1 teaspoon of corn flour.
Corn flour. This is citric acid. This is corn flour.
This is corn flour. And we need the corn flour 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon
Of corn flour. Yeah.
So put this.
I think corn flour is made of flour.
Made from flour? No, this is made from corn.
Oh.
1 teaspoon of corn flour. Now what we have to do? What is stir? We have to stir these ingredients.
May I
Dry
stir?
ingredients.
May I stir?
Okay, but carefully. Now we have to add 1 ml of water.
Water.
And that is 1 ml of water.
Oh, put it. Mix it. I'm gonna mix it. Sticky one. Now
Liquid. We have to mix this properly.
No what?
We want.
Oh.
And
Yes.
after this we need to mix the color. So you choose the color. Choose the color.
I'm
Here is
choosing
3 colors. One orange, one blue, and one I think red.
This is maroon. I choose blue.
Okay. Open the pouch and
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh, I can't open it. Oh, okay. This is how you open it?
after this.
Yeah. Scent. Where is the scent coming from?
This is the perfume.
Oh, this.
Yes. What is bath bomb?
Okay. Yellow.
Now we have to add the color in
Maroon.
this mix
And blue.
and
How can I open it?
hit.
Wow.
Using the dropper, we have to add 1 ml of food coloring.
Food coloring.
1 ml. Here is the
The scent is coming from the food coloring.
no
Yes, I smelled it.
1 ml.
Wow.
Just 1 ml.
Okay.
That is 1 ml color.
Wow.
But we have to use this slowly. You drop the color in this mixture. You add the color in this mixture. One by one drop, not at a time. Wait. Wait.
There's another one. One. Okay.
Yes.
Second.
No. Stop. First mix the color.
Okay.
Again put 1 drop. Wait.
Oh.
Again 1 drop.
Okay.
Yes. The mixture color is changing.
The color is
Again 1
changing.
drop.
Got it?
It will take some time
Okay.
to make the mixture colored. Okay. Wait.
I'm not
Again put
dropping.
another drop.
Let that drop should
1 more drop.
fall on your head.
Again.
Is it okay? This looks great right now. This is light.
Again drop the color.
Again, drop the color. Oh. Then drop.
1 drop.
One more drop.
Another drop.
Another drop.
Another drop.
Another drop.
Yeah. Another drop.
Another drop. No more drops.
Okay. The color finished. Now we
Just
need to add the fragrance.
fragrance. Is this the fragrance?
Yes.
Yeah.
Here is our colored mixture.
Yeah.
This is our colored mixture.
Mm-hmm.
Now add 5 drops of fragrance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
Okay. Now I am going to mix it.
This is fun. Okay.
And here is our color and fragrance mixture.
Oh. Now do we have to mix the
I think
citric
the
acid?
smell is like the orange.
Yeah. Well, let me see what.
Yes.
Yes, this is orange.
smelling orange.
And this is the orange. This is
Now,
actually orange. What?
At last, we need to mix the citric acid.
Oh, give you the citric acid.
Here is the citric acid, and we need to mix it 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon. Okay. 1 teaspoon
of citric acid.
Yeah. Do we have to mix it in water or only just
No water.
okay?
Dry. We have to mix it dry.
Right. The citric acid is just looks like salt but big version.
Yes, the citric acid looks like salt.
Yes.
Our mixture is
Ready.
finally. What we need to do is to put this mixture in the container.
Container. Oh, I will get the container. Is this the container? Is this?
Here is the container.
Oh, okay. I will open it for you.
Now
Fill the container. Okay. Then it's going to be
mix the container with this blue mixture.
yeah. Mix that. I think there are going to be extras.
Oh.
Oops, sorry.
Tightly closed.
Totally. Right? This is going to be a big massive bubble. Right?
Yeah. Right.
A lot of powder in here and mixture. It's more than filled. It's
totally
filled.
filled.
It's called filled.
Now close the container tight, and we have to leave this container for overnight.
What? Overnight? After we sleep, then we will get it. Okay, by the way.
Let's open the container and see the bathbone.
Yeah, I always want to see it.
Yeah, here is our bathbone.
Check on it. Come on, get up. Get up, bathroom. Bathroom, get up. Bathroom, get up. Get out the bathroom. Get out.
Yes, it is coming.
Yay!
Yay! Here is our bathbone. Let's see what happens when we put this into the water.
Can I put this into the water?
Yes, of course. Here is the water.
Yeah.
We have to put this slowly into the water like this. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Oh, so many bubbles.
Yeah, I can see the bubbles. That
Our blue bath bomb is ready.
No. And it's finished also.
Wow, it looks so nice.
But the water is coming blue. Yeah?
Yes, the water changes in blue.
So the bathroom is vanished. That means it's finished.
And the snail is like orange.
Yes, it's like orange. Your hand?
Wow,
How does it feel?
it's feel like very good.
Yes. Almost like sand. Almost.
Oh, the color is so nice.
Yes,
I want to bath in this bath bomb.
Really?
Yeah.
After you make the bathroom, I will put a toy in it and put it in the bathtub.
Bye.